In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Weebly website quickly and easily. Whether you've decided it's time to move on or just need to clear up some clutter, getting rid of an old website on Weebly is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and guide you through the steps in a way that's simple and intuitive. First things first, you'll need to log into your Weebly account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Weebly website. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to retrieve it. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on your Weebly account homepage. From here, your next task is to navigate to your website dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if you're not accustomed to it. It's laid out in a manner that's designed to help you manage multiple sites with ease. Next, look through the list of your sites and locate the specific website that you wish to delete. It might help to double-check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage several sites. You definitely don't want to accidentally delete a site you plan to keep. Once you've located the site you wish to delete, you'll notice a three-dot icon, or perhaps a button that looks like this. This icon is typically associated with additional options. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Now, it's time to select Delete Site from the options that appear in the drop-down menu. But hang on a moment. Before you proceed, it's crucial to remember that deleting a website is permanent and cannot be undone. Be absolutely certain that you want to go ahead with this decision. If you're sure, click on Delete Site, and the system will typically prompt you to confirm your decision. Weebly often presents a warning to emphasize the permanence of this action. You may also be required to type a confirmation phrase or enter the site's URL to finalize the deletion. This step acts as a safeguard, preventing accidental deletions. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully deleted a website from your Weebly account. Remember to double-check everything before making the final confirmation to avoid any mistakes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped make the process a breeze for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy website managing.